filmed for educational purposes for the public to gain a better understanding of law enforcement operations and to provide transparency. Viewer discretion is advised.
Show me code 6, King in Vermont, on a TC with possible code 37 involved. Let me get it back up.
Any in the vicinity 355 is requesting a backup area unit and supervisor, King in Vermont, on a TC with a possible code 37 involved.
370, verify everything involved.
5-5, let me get 3 RAs rolling for people involved in the TCs.
355, are you involved in the TC?
5-5 negative.
355, roger.
Show me code 6, King in Vermont, on a TC with possible code 37 involved. Let me get it back up. So go over there, go over there, go over there.
Any in the vicinity 355 is requesting
Hey,
a
stay in
backup
the
area
car!
unit and supervisor,
Stay in the
King
car!
Vermont, on a TC with a possible code 37 involved.
Oh my God.
Verify everything involved.
5-5, let me get 3 RAs rolling for people involved in the TC.
355, are you involved in the TC?
5-5 negative.
Stay in the car! Stay in the car! Stay in the car! Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! Get covered? Hey dude, get on your belly on the ground. Face away from us. Get on your belly on the ground right now.
370, roger.
Hey sir, back up!
16, let me have responding units. Respond eastbound
Hey, get down on the ground, dude. Sir, I need you out the way. I need you to go to the curb. I need you guys to go to the curb, ma'am.
Units responding eastbound on King from Vermont only.
Get down on the ground, belly on the ground.
The next unit to respond for a 415 group for crowd control.
I'm gonna need you out the way.
355 is requesting
Hey,
a
you.
unit to
I'm gonna need you
respond
guys to
for
get out the way.
15
You.
correction for a 415 group.
If you weren't involved,
For
I need you to
control.
keep going.
15 route to King in Vermont.
Hey, if you're not involved, get out I need you to go. All you guys. Go. Hey, all of you guys. All of you guys, move. Hey, I need you guys too. You guys got to move out the way, all right? You guys got to go. Get off the corner. I need you guys to keep going.
Hey, unit coming
Keep going,
westbound
man.
on
I
King.
need you
Hold
to keep
traffic
going.
right there at King and Menlo, please.
Turn that way. It's going to be unsafe to go that way. Turn right if you're going to go anywhere.
7. Was there a repulsion generated at the intersection of Wilmington and 95th Street for a robbery with a gun within the last hour or so?
Turn.
25T37, stand by. There's a backup on Southwest.
Ma'am. You want to... I understand. Hey, he got here. I guess she almost got TC.
Hey, show me your head. Hey, stay back.
355, do you have vehicle description?
Got multiple.
331, repeat, you're coming in broken and low volume. Southwest unit with a message, repeat.
07, let's get these car rates rolling right now.
Stay on the ground.
All right, ready?
Hey, stay on the ground. Stay on the ground.
Stay on the ground.
All right. Okay.
Who are we going to take first?
Huh? The first guy right here.
First guy here?
Yeah. Hey, stay on the ground. Stay on the ground.
Stop moving around.
Hey,
There's 2 in the park.
there's 3 more in the
3 in
car.
the park. There's 3 in the park. There's 3 in the park. There's 3 in this car.
Let's get him out of the way.